Which cordless impact driver is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that, cutting through the noise to show you 5 real options that actually perform.
Product number 1, Dewalt 20V Max Combo Kit. Let's start with the Dewalt 20V Max Cordless Drill and Impact Driver Combo Kit. This is a solid entry-level set from a trusted brand, especially if you're building your tool collection. It includes both a drill and an impact driver, 2 20V batteries, a charger, and a bag, all for a price that makes it a great starter pack. If you want reliability and convenience in one bundle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The impact driver delivers up to 1,400 inch-pounds of torque, which is more than enough for driving long deck screws or assembling furniture. The brushless motor gives you better runtime and longer tool life, and the compact 5.55-inch design means it fits into tight spaces, like under sinks or inside cabinets. Plus, the integrated LED light stays on for 20 seconds after you release the trigger, perfect for checking your work in dim areas. With over 20,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear people trust this combo for everyday tasks. Now, some people complained about the drill feeling a bit basic compared to standalone models. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant to replace a pro-grade drill. It's designed for homeowners and weekend warriors who want one reliable set that covers 90% of jobs. The drill gets the job done, and the impact driver punches above its weight. This is perfect for you if you're new to power tools or need a dependable kit for home projects. Skip this one if you already own a drill and only need an impact driver. For the value, it's hard to beat.
Product number 2, Dewalt DCD771C2 drill set. But if you already have an impact driver and just need a reliable drill, check out the Dewalt DCD771C2. This drill-only set comes with 2 1.3 amp-hour batteries, a charger, and a contractor bag, all focused on one thing, drilling and light fastening. If you want a compact, no-frills drill that won't quit, this is a smart pick. Here's why this matters for you. It delivers 300 unit watts out, which translates to real power for drilling into wood, plastic, or light metal. The 2-speed transmission, 0 to 450 and 0 to 1500 RPM, lets you switch between delicate pilot holes and faster driving. The half-inch ratcheting chuck grips bits tightly so they don't slip, a small detail that makes a big difference when you're working overhead. It's also lightweight at just 3.6 pounds, so your arm won't tire out during long sessions. Now, some users mention the 1.3 amp-hour batteries drain faster under heavy use. Here's the thing though, these are perfect for intermittent home use. If you're drilling a few holes a day, they'll last. But if you're doing full-day construction work, you'll want higher capacity batteries. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable drill for DIY or light construction. Skip this one if you need high torque or all-day runtime. It's a great value for the price.
Product number 3, Dewalt DCF845B XR Impact Driver. If the previous drill set felt too basic, this next one takes a completely different approach. Pure impact power. The Dewalt DCF845B XR is a standalone impact driver with serious muscle. Priced around $116, it's tool only, so you'll need to pair it with your existing 20-volt batteries. If you want pro-level torque and a compact body, this is it. Here's why this matters for you. It delivers a massive 1,825 inch-pounds of torque and spins up to 3,400 RPM. That's enough to drive 3-inch lag screws into hardwood without breaking a sweat. The brushless motor runs cooler and lasts longer, and the 3-speed settings give you precision control from delicate trim work to heavy-duty fastening. The built-in LED light is bright and stays on long enough to see what you're doing in dark corners. Plus, it's only 5.5 inches long, so it fits in spaces bigger drivers can't reach. Now, some people were frustrated that it doesn't include a battery or charger. Here's the thing though, if you're already in the Dewalt ecosystem, you probably have spares. Buying tool only saves money and reduces clutter. But if you're starting fresh, you'll need to budget for batteries. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or serious DIYer who needs maximum power and control. Skip this one if you're looking for a complete kit. It's a premium tool at a fair price.
Product number 4, CC665FT-LBS Impact Wrench. That was a high-end impact driver, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for heavy-duty tasks, the CC665FT-LBS Impact Wrench. This isn't your average driver. It's a full-on impact wrench designed for lug nuts, truck bolts, and rusted hardware. If you work on cars or machinery, this is a game changer. Here's why this matters for you. It delivers a jaw-dropping 665 foot-pounds of loosening torque. That's enough to break loose seized lug nuts in seconds. It comes with two 21V 4.0 AA batteries, so you get all-day runtime, and they charge to 80% in just 30 minutes. The variable speed trigger gives you full control, and the 6 included sockets cover 95% of automotive bolts. Plus, the anti-slip grip and balanced design make it comfortable even during long jobs. Now, some users said it's overkill for simple home projects. Here's the thing though, if you're changing tires or working on equipment, this tool pays for itself in time and effort saved. But if you're just assembling furniture, it's way too much. This is perfect for you if you need serious torque for automotive or industrial work. Skip this one if you only do light household tasks. For the power and included accessories, it's an incredible value.
Product number 5, Dewalt DCF787D1. A compact, affordable impact driver that comes with a battery and charger for under $90. This is Dewalt's budget-friendly option, but don't let the price fool you. It still packs a punch for everyday use. Here's why this matters for you. It's lightweight, just 2.8 pounds and only 5.5 inches long, so it's easy to handle in tight spaces. The brushless motor delivers solid performance with up to 2,800 RPM, and the LED light helps you see in dark areas. It's great for driving screws, assembling furniture, or light construction work. And since it includes a 2Ah battery and charger, it's a complete package right out of the box. Now, some people noted it locks the torque of higher-end models. Here's the thing though, it's not meant for heavy-duty jobs. For most homeowners, it's more than enough. If you're not driving massive log screws daily, this will handle your needs. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, no-nonsense impact driver without overspending. Skip this one if you need maximum torque or pro-grade durability. For the price, it's a steal.
So which one should you pick? The Dewalt Combo Kit is great for beginners. The DCD771C2 is ideal if you just need a drill. The DCF845B delivers pro-level power. The CC is a beast for automotive work, and the DCF787D1 offers solid performance on a budget. Each has its place. It just depends on what you're building.